my dears. I am Anastasia Lix. I am a digital artist, illustrator, drawing in anime style. I started to draw many years ago, really. My parents tried to find proper activities for me, so I went to art school. I spent there 10 years. 10 years. And of course I learned a lot. First, I drew only what I wanted to, but my parents decided that I was talented and I needed a strict teacher who would help me to organize my abilities and who would teach me discipline. That was the beginning of learning academic drawing. It was hard, really very hard, very difficult way for me. I couldn't manage with proportions, perspective, that was so horrible, but I didn't give up. I practiced every day and I got the result in several years. I mean, a really amazing result. After that I decided to be an artist. Woo! But there was a problem. 11 years ago, profession of artist wasn't so popular. Most people condemned such choice and my parents were no exception. They convinced me to refuse from this idea. That's why I had spent 7 years without drawing at all. I'd been studying in the University of International Affairs. Then I had been working as journalist in local company, and there I met my husband, of course. He told me that I had made a huge mistake in my life and I had to start drawing again, and I started. That was a great step for me in my life. I wanted to become a very good, extremely good artist again, and I wanted so badly. I had chosen illustration as main direction of my drawing, and at that moment I had faced with many difficulties. For example, my hands remembered how to draw, but my mind, didn't remember. My imagination was so narrow and so poor. Well, it took 2 years to reach the same level I was before. So I thought everything was fine. In the beginning of this year, I understood that illustrations were good. I draw them very good, but they stopped pleasing me. So there was no satisfaction from these drawings. So that was so terrible feeling. I was lost actually. But my husband helped me again. He helped me to choose what I really like, what I really love, what I want to do every day. And I began to study the art of anime and manga. I began to learn it, and last 4 months I had spent improving my skills, and here we are. Look at the result, you see it. I have chosen semi-realistic style, anime style, and actually I like it more than my previous illustrations, than my previous style of drawing. What I want to say to all of you? First of all, never give up. Never. Always try again and again. Read books, watch tutorials, practice every day, speak with other artists. Make your hands remember, make your mind remember everything you have learned already. One more thing, be patient. We want to get everything and right now, but we can't. And this is the most annoying thing in our life. All in good time. Remember it. And just one more thing for you to remember. Every super cool artist started from basics, and every great artist studied very hard. They spent nights and days under the learning. If they could reach all the heights, you can do it. And I believe that I can do, and look at me. So I believe that you can do. Have a good time while you're drawing. Bye!